Okay. So this was the homework question. I had asked you to find the value of cos of secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x, correct? I had asked you to find the value of cos of secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x, but there is a condition for x. What is the condition for x? Mod x is greater than or equal to 1. So you have a condition for x. So I have to find the value of cos of secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x, and we have the condition for x as mod x greater than or equal to 1. When you see this condition and when you see the secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x, you should remember the identity which I had told. Just like trigonometric basic identities ಏನಿದೆ, cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1, 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x, 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosecant square x. Similarly, inversely kuda I had told you that there are some identities which is very essential to solve certain problems. So there if you see, we had discussed about sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to, always is equal to pi by 2 if x belongs to its domain, that is minus 1 comma 1. Similarly, if you have secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2, where mod x is always greater than or equal to 1. So we'll use this particular property. So we have secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x, and we have that condition also, mod x greater than or equal to 1. So directly we can write from this property, cos of this term inside the bracket can be replaced by pi by 2. So it is cos pi by 2. So what is the value of cos pi by 2, students? What is the value of cos pi by 2? What is the value of cos pi by 2? What is the value of cos pi by 2? You people can hear me, right? What is the value of cos pi by 2, students? What is the value of cos pi by 2? Students, can you hear me? So cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. So this is the answer. So the value of cos of secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to, so secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x can be replaced by pi by 2, and cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. So today we'll move on to the next question. Okay, fine. So this is your next question. You have to express the all the coming questions, whatever it might be, you have to express it in the simplest form. Okay, you have to express it in the simplest form. Fine. So we have tan inverse of, tan inverse of we have tan inverse of square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. Okay, we have square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. So what can I give as substitution? What can I give as substitution? X ಗೆ ಏನು substitution ನನಗೆ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು? What can I give as substitution, students? What can I give as substitution? X is equal to tan theta. Sahana is saying x is equal to tan theta. Why you are preferring tan theta over here? Why you are preferring tan theta, students? Why you people are preferring tan theta? Why you people are preferring tan theta? Do you have any answer? So if you put x is equal to tan theta, since many of you have told that we'll put x is equal to tan theta, we'll try what we'll get. So what we'll get, tan inverse of square root of 1 plus, if x is equal to tan theta, what is theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse x. So wherever I have x, I have to substitute it with tan theta. So it is 1 plus tan square theta, okay, minus 1 divided by tan theta. Now what is square root of 1 plus tan square theta? What is square root of 1 plus tan square theta? What is square root of 1 plus tan square theta, students? What is square root of? Yes, it is secant square theta. Okay. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. If we take the square root, it becomes, okay, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So if I take the square root on both the sides, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to square root of secant square theta. So it is nothing but secant theta. So I can write this as tan inverse of secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. So what should be the next step? What should be my next step? Now I have secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. What can I do now? What can I do now? Just take a guess. What can be done? What can be done, students? Okay, secant, you have to replace it by 1 by cos. Good, Sahana. Good, Bharat. So, Bharat and Sahana saying that we have to write secant in terms of cos. So, secant is the reciprocal of cos. So, 1 by secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by. So, what should I do with tan theta? What should I do with tan theta? What should I do with tan theta? Tan theta sine by cos. Good. So it is sine theta by cos theta. Okay. So you people are guessing things. I don't know how much it is right. So whatever you people are telling, I'll be writing. Okay. So that is tan inverse of okay, tan inverse of, I have 1 by cos theta minus 1. Correct. There is a fraction. So in ಮಾಡಬೇಕು fraction ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ add ಅಥವಾ subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ divisions denominators should be same. So what can be done? I have to multiply cos theta over here. So what it becomes? 1 by cos theta minus 1 into cos theta divided by 1 into cos theta divided by sin theta by cos theta. Correct? Sin theta by cos theta. So that is tan inverse of 1. Now that you can see that denominator is same, so I'll write the denominator cos theta 1 minus cos theta whole divided by sin theta by cos theta. So I can cancel cos theta, cos theta. So what is remaining over here? So we'll be left out with tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Again, it is not in the simplified form. Further, I have to simplify. So what will be my next step? What will be my next step? What will be my next step, students? What will be my next step? I have 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. So I'll erase these things. Okay, I'll erase these things. So now my work has been simplified to tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Now further I have to reduce. This is not the simplified form. Further I have to reduce. So what can be done? What can be done? What is the formula for cos 2 theta, students? What is the formula for cos 2 theta? What is the formula for cos 2 theta? You have many formulas. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Then cos 2 theta minus 2 cos theta minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now what I'll do, I'll use cos 2 theta formula. Okay, if I have cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, so if I take this, if I take 2 cos square theta to 2 cos square theta to the other side and cos 2 theta to this side, so it becomes uh, cos 2. Okay, I'll use the other formula. This doesn't work. Okay, so we have cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, correct? Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So what I'll do is, I'll take this cos 2 theta to the other side. So it becomes 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta, correct? 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta. What do I have in the numerator? I have 1 minus cos theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ 2 theta ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ theta ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. So theta ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? So what should it become? When I have 2 theta, sin square theta ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 theta ದ ಅರ್ಧ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 2 theta by 2 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So if I have theta, what it should become? If I have theta, what it should become? Theta. Formula observe ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದರ half ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? theta by 2 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ if you observe 2 theta ಇದ್ದಾಗ theta ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So theta ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? theta by 2 ಅಂತ ಆಗಬೇಕು. So it is 2 sin square theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta, correct? So 1 minus cos theta is nothing but 2 sin square theta by 2. So 1 minus cos theta can be replaced by 2 sin square theta by 2. So that is tan inverse of 2 sin square theta by 2 whole divided by. What is the formula of sin 2x? What is the formula for sin 2x? What is the formula for sin 2x, students? So till you give me the formula, I'll repeat this. ನನಗೆ cos 2 theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 minus 2 sin square theta ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, minus 2 sin square theta ವನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದೆ, cos 2 theta ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. So I'll be remaining with 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 theta ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದು theta ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನನಗೇನಿದೆ 1 minus cos theta ಇದೆ, correct? So it becomes 2 sin square theta by 2. So already I have got the answer for sin 2x. So it is nothing but 2 sin x cos x, correct? 2 sin x cos x. Then what is sin x? Then what is sin x? 2x ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, 2 sin x cos x ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. So 2x ಇದ್ದದ್ದು x ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ sin x ಇದೆ. So applying the same formula, x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ 2x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ x ಇದೆ. So what happens? It becomes half, right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2x ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಅದರ half ಅಂದ್ರೆ x. So x in a half ಏನಾಯ್ತು, x by 2. So your formula reduces to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So substitute that. So 2 sin, here I have theta, so it is theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, so that is equal to tan inverse of 2 get cancels, 1 sin square and sin theta by 2 is cancelled. What is remaining? Sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. What is sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2, students? What is sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2? It is tan theta by 2, correct? Sin by cos andre tan, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ angle theta by 2 ಇದೆ. So it is tan inverse of tan theta by 2. What is tan inverse of tan x? What is tan inverse of tan x? What is tan inverse of tan x, students? X. Good. So here it should be theta by 2. ಬಟ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? In the beginning we had taken x is equal to tan theta, which means theta is nothing but tan inverse x. So this becomes tan inverse x whole divided by 2. Remember, tan inverse x ಗೆ divide ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, x by 2 ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. tan inverse x divided by 2. So my complex question is being simplified to tan inverse x by 2. Okay, hope this was clear, students. Hope this was clear. Okay, can we move to the next question? This is an easy question, so let me see who will give me the substitution first. So let me check who will give me the substitution first. Who will give me the substitution? So the question is tan inverse of 1 by square root x square minus 1. The question is tan inverse of 1 by square root of x square minus 1. So first ಗೆ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನನಗೆ tan inverse of tan ಬರಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? tan inverse of tan ಬರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ, 1 by ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? check properly the substitution. Check properly the substitution. It is not secant theta, it is not tan theta, it is not cot theta. See, it is cosecant theta. Good Sahana, it is cosecant theta. Yake cosecant theta anta helidre, see, I have tan inverse of something. Correct? I have tan inverse of something. So ನನಗೆ tan inverse of tan ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅಥವಾ tan inverse of cot ಇದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ tan inverse of tan ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by something ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 1 by ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನನಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ cot ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ cot ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 by cot ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು I can replace it by tan. ಬಟ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ x square minus 1. ಸೊ ಈ x square minus 1 ಇನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ cot ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ what should be the substitution? What should be the substitution? The answer of square root of x square minus 1 should be cot theta. Cot theta. Okay, I'll repeat it again. ಏನide tan inverse of 1 by square root of x square minus 1 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ tan inverse of tan ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ tan ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ if you see the term inside the bracket, it is 1 by something. So denominator cot ಆದ್ರೆ 1 by cot ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು tan ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Correct? I can do 1 by, if I get 1 by cot, then I can replace it by tan. But denominator cot sigbeku anta helidre I have to substitute to x in such a way that square root of x square minus 1 cot agbeku. Correct? Square root of x square minus 1 cot agbeku. So x ಗೆ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ square root of x square minus 1 becomes cot theta. That is my question. So we have 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Correct? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So what happens? 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. So what happens? So 1 cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Correct? Cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. So my substitution should be x is equal to cosecant theta. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನನಗೆ tan ಬರುವ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. So what is my substitution? Put x is equal to cosecant theta. Put x is equal to cosecant theta. Then what happens to theta? Theta is cosecant inverse x. Okay, theta is cosecant inverse x. So now you substitute. So tan inverse of 1 by square root of cosecant square x cosecant square theta minus 1. So what is cosecant square theta minus 1? Square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. It's not cosecant 2x, it's cosecant square x. Okay. What is square root of cosecant square theta minus 1? Cosecant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1 andre cot square theta. But cot square ಗೆ square root ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ I'll write here cosecant square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. Okay, so square root of cosecant square theta minus 1 is square root of cot square theta. So that is cot theta. So it becomes tan inverse of 1 by cot theta. Okay, so that is tan inverse of what is 1 by cot theta? What is 1 by cot theta, students? What is 1 by cot theta? Tan theta, correct? 1 by cot theta is tan theta. So what is tan inverse of tan theta? What is tan inverse of tan theta? Is theta. So here it is theta. But what is theta? Theta is cosecant inverse x. Theta is cosecant inverse x. So the problems are not difficult. It is just that you need some practice. Aita practice matte nee formulas swalpa if you read it properly or if you go through it properly, you can make the substitution. Okay, ಇದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್. ಏನೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so shall we move for the next question? Can we move to the next question? Okay, okay, fine. Okay, the next question. This is your next question. That is tan inverse of square root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x you have. So before starting this, let me revise the formula for cos 2x. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1, or it can be written as cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square x. One more formula for cos 2x was cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So what happens? So 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. Okay, you remember this formula? So cos 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. Now you may be thinking why ma'am is discussing all these things. Because we have similar things over here. We have 1 minus cos x. So if I have 1 minus cos 2x, it is 2 sin square x. So in place of 2x, now I have x. So what it becomes according to this formula? Square root of 1 minus cos x can be replaced by 1 minus cos x can be replaced by 2 sin square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, you just compare 1 minus cos 2x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it is 2 sin square x, correct? 1 minus cos 2x ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ 2 sin square x. Now I have 1 minus cos x. Okay, I have 1 minus cos x. So in place of x 2x, now I have x. So what it becomes? It becomes 2 sin square x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಈಗ x by 2 ಆಗಬೇಕು. So it is 2 sin square x by 2 divided by what happens to 1 plus cos x? What happens to 1 plus cos x? What happens to 1 plus cos x, students? Compare with this one. Compare with the first formula which we had discussed. 1 plus cos 2x idre 2 cos square x. Now I have 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x. So it should be 2 cos square x by 2. Correct? 2 cos square x by 2. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. 2x ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Now I have x. Okay. Now I have x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಅದರ half ಆಗಬೇಕು. x ಇನ half ಎಷ್ಟು? x by 2. So it becomes 2 cos square x by 2. Okay. So 2 get cancels. So you'll be remaining with tan inverse of square root of sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 whole square. Correct? We have sin square x by 2. We have cos square x by 2. So then what I have done, I have combined it and I have given the power for the entire fraction. So it is sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 whole square. Square and square root get cancels. So we'll be remaining with tan inverse of sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. So what is the answer? Sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 is tan x by 2. Good. So it becomes tan x by 2. So what is tan inverse of tan x by 2? What is tan inverse of tan x by 2, students? It is nothing but x by 2. So the simplified form of this particular question is x by 2. Okay, simplified form is x by 2. X by 2. Okay, have you taken this? No need for the value of x. X in a value find out madadikilla. Just you have to write it as x by 2. We are just simplifying our work. Okay, instead of seeing the complex terms, we are simplifying our work. Okay, it's not cosecant x by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು substitution ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಭವಾನಿ. We have not given any substitution. ಅದು previous problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ x is equal to cosecant theta ಅಂತ substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Here we have not given any substitutions. Directly we have used the formula of cos 2x. Okay. So we'll move on to the next question. So this is your next question. Tan inverse of tan inverse of cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. So how to solve this? ನನಗೆ tan inverse of tan ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, but numerator it is like cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. So how to solve this? Students? How to solve this? Can you give me some suggestions? If it was in this form, tan inverse of tan of something anta helididre, we could have directly written it as that something. But here if you see, it is cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. So what can be done, or what should be done? Students? So what I'll do is, we get tan x if we divide by cos x. Good, Sahana. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, numerator ಮತ್ತೆ denominator, that is cos x minus sin x is the numerator, cos x plus sin x is the denominator. So what you do, divide both the numerator and denominator by tan x. Okay, not tan x, sorry, cos x. So if you divide both the numerator and denominator by cos x, see what you will get. So tan inverse of cos x by cos x minus sin x by cos x whole divided by cos x by cos x plus sin x by sin x. So what you are doing, sin x by cos x. So you are dividing the numerator and denominator, that is individual terms, by cos x. So what will I get? Tan inverse of, what is cos x by cos x is 1, minus sin x by cos x is tan x divided by cos x by cos x is 1 plus sin x by cos x is tan x. Okay, sin x by cos x is tan x. Now you just observe, I'll write 1 as tan pi by 4. I'll write the 1 in the numerator as tan pi by 4. Can I write it like that? 1 nannu nanu tan pi by 4 anta bariboda? What is the value of tan pi by 4? What is the value of tan pi by 4? It is 1. Good. So what I have done, only in the numerator, observe, only in the numerator the first term is 1. So I am replacing it by tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus, okay, this one I am keeping as it is, 1 plus, I have tan x, correct? You can see I have tan x as the second term. So can I write tan x as 1 into tan x? So can I write tan x as 1 into tan x? 1 into tan x. Yes, because 1 into tan x is tan x. So what I'll do, 1 into tan x I'll write. Instead of tan x, I have written it as 1 into tan x. So tan inverse of, okay, tan pi by 4, write the numerator as it is, minus tan x divided by 1 plus this one. Okay, this one, 1 into tan x idiyalla, alli ಒಂದು 1 idiyalla, that I'll write it as tan pi by 4 into tan x. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ 1 ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು tan pi by 4 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಕೆಳಗೆ tan x ಇದ್ದದನ್ನು 1 into tan x ಅಂತ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. And that 1 I have replaced it by tan pi by 4. So now can you see some formula over here? Now can you see some formula over here? Can you see some formula over here, students? Can you see some formula? Which formula it is? Tan x minus y. What is tan x minus y? What is tan x minus y, students? It is tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y. Correct? 1 plus tan x tan y. Here what is the value of x? What is the value of x here? What is the value of x? What is the value of x? Pi by 4. Good. What is the value of y? What is the value of y? What is the value of y is x. So according to the formula, it should be tan inverse of tan of x minus y anta beku. But here x is pi by 4 and y is x. So what is tan inverse of tan theta? What is tan inverse of tan theta? What is tan inverse of tan theta, students? It is theta. So here in place of theta, I have pi by 4 minus x. So this is my answer. Pi by 4 minus x. You just write down the answer. Meanwhile, I'll explain it again. Okay. So I had tan inverse of cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. Okay. So I need something with tan. But you will nodidre cos x so sin x alla ide. So what I can do, if I divide by cos x, some term can be converted to tan. So what I have done, I have divided the numerator and denominator by cos x. So if I do that, cos x by cos x becomes 1 minus sin x by cos x becomes tan x divided by 1 plus sin x by cos x is tan x. Then what I have done, in the numerator, the first, this is not a 2-mark question, this is a 3-mark question. Okay, in the numerator, if you see the 1 we have, so that I have replaced by tan pi by 4, because tan pi by 4 is 1 minus tan x, and this is very important. Okay, this they have repeated many times. Okay, so divided by 1 plus, so I can write tan x as 1 into tan x, correct? I can write tan x as 1 into tan x. So it becomes tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus this one in the product can be replaced by tan pi by 4 into tan x. Now if you see the term inside the bracket, what you can observe is tan of x minus y is tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y. So what happens, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇರೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, pi by 4 is there. In place of y we have x. So it becomes tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus x. So tan inverse of tan theta is theta, that is pi by 4 minus x. So this is how you get the answer. Take the next question as homework. Take next question as homework. Okay. Take this question as homework. I'll give you the hint how to solve. You just try to solve this. So numerator ali cos x ide. So in the numerator we have cos x. Apply cos 2x formula. Which formula you have to apply? You have to apply this formula. Cos square x minus sin square x. So if it is cos 2x, it becomes cos square x minus sin square x. If it is cos x, it becomes cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Okay. And in the denominator, if you see, I have 1. So 1 can be replaced by sine square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2, because we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Use this and somehow you try to simplify this problem. Take the hint to the numerator, you apply this particular uh, solution formula. In the denominator, to 1 you use 1 minus sine square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2, and for sine x you use sine 2x formula, that is 2 sine x cos x. So here it becomes 2 sine x by 2 into cos x by 2. Kindly take it down. Okay, have you taken the screenshot? Okay, students. Okay. So don't worry about the things.